What's your special sauce to get these homeowners to trust you? Like, how are you doing it right?
I really just getting out and getting in front of people. I feel like people just become familiar with us. They're they're not feeling pressured to use
Mhm.
us, because we do a lot of door knocking. That's where we generate most of our business from, right?
Okay.
Especially early on. And then, when you're going out there and you've got zero Google reviews and you don't have a website, you don't have a wrapped vehicle, you don't have t-shirts. I mean, that's how it started, really. Um, just getting out and I think like knowing the process and being able to walk them through that thoroughly. Um, transparency. Yeah. Transparency gains trust, right?
Oh
And
yeah.
and if homeowners can't trust you, you ruin your reputation, you're not going to be around for a very long time.
Right. Kind of like he said, just being very knowledgeable, being very professional, and being transparent. Like he said, that is the key factor to it. Is just being honest. Don't go tell people they need something that they don't need. We try to provide photo reports. We offer to do drone inspections first because let's be honest, in this industry, vandalism is a very common thing, unfortunately. So we just go ahead and eliminate that. If we have pictures of what it looked like before, then we can't be held accountable
Yeah. No,
or
exactly. I
responsible,
love
I
that.
should say, not accountable, but.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome, man. I mean, yeah, that shows a lot. Like, I think I saw a post even this morning, like somebody posted about how you guys were out there. You got there like a half hour early. The other contractor was there a half hour late. Couldn't figure out what it is. That guy right away ripped off hey, we got to replace the whole roof. And then I don't know if it was one of you guys or one of your team
Yeah,
members.
yeah, that was me. Yeah,
Okay, yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, I mean, I'll let you tell the story. Why don't you go ahead and tell the story? It probably comes better
yeah.
than,
So,
from
yeah,
so
I showed up 30 minutes early. The other company showed up 30 minutes late. We both did our inspection, and he had went up and basically just said, well, I'll just send you an estimate for the full roof. I don't really see nothing up there. So I proceeded to get in the attic, try to see what else I could find because typically, I mean, water is going to leave a trace, and if you have it in your on your drywall, it's coming in from somewhere. So we
yeah,
got in there and looked around. I figured it was going to be flashing just based off of what the homeowner was telling me and the location of it. But we got in at it. We confirmed that that's what it was. We gave him an estimate for the repairs, and then we actually did the repair. And he called his insurance company, and they unfortunately told him that he had to replace the roof for them to cover. Um, I'll just say it was Big Red. They just do their thing. But anyway, uh, he asked me to give him an estimate for the full roof, so I provided him that, and he told me he was like, it's $3,000 higher, and they're using the same materials, so why should I go with you? And I was like, well, I can't tell you what the other company does, but I can tell you we stand behind our warranties. I know you're going to have a good product installed. We're typically there at all of our builds. So all of that kind of correlates to we're going to do a good job and do our best for you. And if you call us with a check, we're going to be out there, or with a leak, we're going to be out there as quick as we would if you said you had a check, because that's our reputation and we stand by it. So he ended up going with us, and now we're building his roof.
Right now,
I
actually.
love it,
Yep, right
man.
now.
Yeah, I love that. I love the part of the story too, where it's like, like you were also higher than the other guy, right? Like, you weren't like, okay, I'm the lowest ball, the lowest bid out there. And you still won their business. Like you said, you're
Right.
gaining their trust, man. It's amazing. And it says a lot. It says a lot about you guys.